Welcome back to Fluize. Here's the plan. This is your basic module, Level 1, Lesson 7. Today, food. Let's eat. You learn English by listening like a child. No grammar, no fear. First, the key words. Then, a little story. You hear it again and again, every day this week. Repeat out loud, copy my voice. And at the end, the same story in the present and the past. So, relax, listen, repeat. Subscribe to unlock the free basic module. Ready? Let's go. Chapter 1. The key words. Listen and repeat out loud after me. First, the key words. Before our story. Listen and feel them. Say them with me, big and happy. I'd like. Can I have? Polite ways to order. I'd like a coffee, please. Can I have a cake? What would you like? The waiter asks you. What would you like? A sandwich, a coffee, a cake, water, cafe food and drinks. A sandwich, please. For here or to go? Eat here or take it with you. For here, please. It's delicious. It tastes great. Thank you. It was delicious. Great. Now you feel the words. Let's hear them in a little story. Chapter 2. The main story. Now, just relax and listen. Don't translate, only feel it. Hi. Welcome back. Big smile. Let's go. Today, food. Let's eat. Are you hungry? Let's order food. In a cafe, you say, can I have? Or, I'd like. Can I have a coffee, please? I'd like a sandwich, please. I'd like is soft and polite. It's, I would like. I'd like some water, please. Say it with me. I'd like. For example, Tom is at a cafe. The waiter asks, what would you like? Tom says, I'd like a sandwich and a tea, please. The waiter says, for here or to go? Tom says, for here, please. Mia says, can I have a coffee and a cake? Of course. Then, it's delicious. Yum. When you finish, you say, thank you. It was delicious. Say it. I'd like a please. Listen again and again. Deep learning. Chapter 3, the most important one, the mini story. I ask, you answer out loud. Big smile. Sit up, shoulders back. Breathe. Ready? Answer out loud. Your turn. Tom and Mia are at a cafe. Tom is so hungry. Tom wants a sandwich. Are Tom and Mia at a cafe? Is Tom hungry or full? Does he want a sandwich or a cake? Yes, they're at a cafe. Tom is hungry and he wants a sandwich. The waiter comes. What would you like? Tom says, I'd like a sandwich and a tea, please. Who comes? The waiter or Lucy? Does Tom order a sandwich or a cake? The waiter comes, and Tom orders a sandwich and a tea. Oh no, a problem! The waiter says, I'm sorry, no sandwiches today. No sandwiches. Tom is so hungry and sad. Is there a problem? Are there sandwiches or no sandwiches? Is Tom happy or sad? No sandwiches today, and Tom is hungry and sad. Then Mia smiles. Can I have 2 cakes, please? One for me and one for Tom. What does Mia order? 2 cakes or 2 teas? How many cakes? 2 cakes, one for each. Yum! Tom tries the cake. It's delicious. Now Tom is so happy. Hooray! Does Tom like the cake? Is Tom sad now or happy? Yes, it's delicious. Now Tom is so happy. Thank you, Mia. Hooray! That's the end of the mini story. Listen again and again. Deep learning, deep learning. Last chapter. The same story in the present and the past. Just feel the change. Every day, Tom orders a sandwich. Today, there are none, so Mia orders cake. Tom loves it. Yesterday, Tom ordered a sandwich. There were none. Mia ordered 2 cakes. Tom said, "Delicious!" Hey, before you go, let's build this together. Hit subscribe and like to help us unlock the whole basic module for free. Every new subscriber gets us closer. 100, 500, 1,000. And tell me, comment your country. See you in the next lesson. Keep flowing.